Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Oxford White 2020 Ford F-150. This F-150 was very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle and has 0 accidents reported. This F-150 comes in the XLT trim with the XLT Sport package with a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. This F-150 comes with a huge truck bed with a tailgate step-up. It also has auto headlights, cruise control, also with mounted audio controls on the steering wheel so you can control while you are driving. It also has some notable features with heated seats, navigation, Bluetooth, remote start, reverse camera, pre-collision assist, blind spot info. It also has trailer backup, a leather shift knob, and a USB port for charging in the front. Moving to the back of this F-150, it has a 12-volt plug-in, and also these seats can be folded up for extra storage. If you want to come book a test drive, come on down to maclinford.com to book a test drive.